Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about LED bulb kits. Some of the common complaints we hear about LED bulb kits and the challenges of finding the right one for your vehicle. There's so many different ones out there, but some of the bulb kits are just so large and bulky that by the time you put the bulb into the back of the headlight and attach the driver box, and you've got this massive amount of cabling and equipment that has to be tied down, and it just doesn't fit inside the vehicle. This particular LED bulb kit made by Philips is 4 inches in length. Then you've got the external driver box. That doesn't even count a CANbus kit if you've got that. So the large size of some of the bulb kits out there makes it difficult to install in certain vehicles. Here's another example. The heat sink sticks quite far out the back, and then you've got this external a driver box and cable assembly. And even after bundling them and tying them down, you still can't get the dust cap back on the headlight assembly, for example. And then of course you might need a CANbus in the chain, and once you've added the CANbus to the chain, you've now got this bulky assembly that's just not going to fit. Second thing that we find is that a lot of the earlier models of LED bulb kits out there have fans in them to keep them cool. The problem with fans when you're running commercial rigs or off-road vehicles or logging trucks is you get dust in the fans gum up, they fail, and then the LEDs overheat and the bulb fails ultimately before its time. Well, one of the things we want to show you in the STARR lineup is the ReadyFit bulb. The ReadyFit LED bulbs are based on the identical connection system where the base of these bulbs is identical to its halogen counterpart. So as you can see, here's an H13 dual filament LED bulb, and it has the identical base to its halogen counterpart. Even the alignment of the, if you can see this here, even the alignment of the beams are staggered, the low beam and the high beam. So what you have with a direct fit is this small compact bulb that's guaranteed to fit. A true plug and play installation. You twist it in, twist lock it into place, attach the clip, the harness onto the clip, and away you go. The other thing about the ReadyFit is the CANbus is built into the base of the bulb. That's right. With the ReadyFit bulbs, you have a built-in CANbus. So you've got built-in CANbus, no external bulky cables or drivers, just twist it in, put it in, away it goes. The other advantage of the bulbs is that if you do put the bulb in the vehicle and the alignment of the LED chips is not truly vertical, like a hockey stick on the ice, like this, you can actually go in. Each of our kits comes with an Allen key, and this Allen key can be inserted into the hole on the side of the bulb and untwisted, and then you can just rotate the head and cinch it back into place, and then just mark it with a little pen like we've done here until you get just the alignment just right, so that when you have your bulb installed, you've got the post vertical. Now we're talking about reflector style headlamps, not projector style headlamps. That's a different animal, and we'll talk about that in a different video. But here's another example. Here's an H5 high beam halogen. Notice it has the right angle base on the bulb. The 9005 ReadyFit has the very same base. It's right angle. The cooling is in the heat sink. There's no fans to gum up. It's just a smartly designed aircraft aluminum heatsink cooling system, and the CANbus is also built into the base. So with an with a 9005 high beam ReadyFit, where you would normally have your halogen bulb installed in the back, you remove your halogen bulb, your ReadyFit goes in, twist locks into place, connect your harness, and away you go. STARR 3600 ReadyFit bulbs from STARR Lighting.